here we are at 250 feet below sea level. We found some rocks here. We got the snow peaks in the background. We're gonna crawl up this little wash here and see what we can do. Wow, this is some crazy terrain. It's funny to see all these rocks. It's really windy, but it's like 90 degrees. It's pretty interesting. I'm having a blast. Wow, this is some crazy crawling out here. You could go all day. Like, I'm about 30 feet off the road. You can see all the way out there, all these rocks. This wash goes all the way to the mountains over there. You can hike all day. This is just like perfect scale crawling. This is amazing. This is so much fun right here. Look at all these rocks. Like, there's just so many crazy lines. This is great. Wow. I hope you guys like these videos. I hope they look really good, because this place is just absolutely amazing. Look at all the snow up there in the mountains. That is crazy. We're below sea level right here, 250 feet below sea level. I think those peaks are around 11,000. Wow. Well, I'm getting a little hot. We got sunburn, so I'm gonna make my way back down to the truck. Thanks for my bumper.
Yeah.
Your keeps getting pushed up because I keep doing flints.
Your plums are all scratchy now. Band-aids.